We're at Gail's kitchen, and let's see what Gail is cooking today and what she has in mind.
I have some, this is all based around my salsa. I have some salsa that I need to use, and I have one of my favorite fishes that I like to make, which is siswai, or what it is a mix between a catfish and a flounder, and it's so wonderful and it's inexpensive, so I like to make it. And so I have salsa that I love to buy salsa because I love to share it with people, of course. But it's so yummy, and then once you maybe you're not having it as much and you have leftover salsa, it's a wonderful way to use salsa. Just put it in with your white fish and bake that for about 20 minutes at about 350 to 375, and you've got such a delicious dish. To add the salsa, I'm going to have the yellow squash mixture with mushrooms and red onions. It would be red onions, but I don't have any. I just used my last one. And they're wonderful. So now I'm going to cut up my zucchini and yellow squash with my fresh mushrooms that I got on special. I got this whole thing for $2.99, so it's been a mushroom fest for the last week or so. Yellow squash, and it will be all good. And add those juices. Okay, so now it's time to assemble my dish. I have this wonderful pan here that's awesome for the oven. I'm going to add my fish to the pan. Just lay it out. My swahi, I love it. I like to buy it by the big container, and I get like 8 fillets or something like that. And then I'm going to put my lime on the fish. Just brings out the flavor when you put the tomatoes in and all the other good stuff. I like to add the lime. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the vegetables to my dish as well. I'm going to move it over. I'm going to add my masala that I make, all my special spices that I do. And I'm going to add that too. Kind of blacken it a little bit, give it a smoky flavor, an onion and flavor. I just like to add no salt, but all the individual spices that will spice up the meal. And then your food doesn't become too salty, and you don't have to worry about, not being spicy. Okay.
Okay, start.
Okay, so now this is ready. I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to turn it up a little bit higher, maybe, oh, we have to hit the bake. And then maybe 365. Hey everyone! So I'm making the swahi with salsa, and we're about to have that. So I'm going to make a little rice that I made. I had a brown rice that was in the fridge for the last couple of days, and I want to get rid of it. I'm really ready to eat it, and I don't want to throw it away. As you know, those packages are like $7, $8 a piece, so I want to use it all. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to saute it with a little fresh garlic, a little ginger. Okay, we have this lovely salad, and I cannot say I put this together today. It's from our partner, Alex, and it looks beautiful. We're going to chow down on that. And this is the swahi flounder catfish mix with the zucchini mix and the salsa. And we're going to plate it with a little
2, 1.
leftover rice that we're getting rid of. Brown rice that I made earlier in the week for my week. I get to use that. Also the fish. have a feast here. And we're ready to get started. I hope you enjoyed watching. Whatever we had in the cabinet, that's what we used. We have a fresh salad, we have fish.